Welcome back to the channel. You might know Husky for their floor mats, but for the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4, they also make mud guards. And in this video today, we are going to be installing mud guards, and it should be pretty easy. Join us. Good morning, happy Saturday, welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing Husky liners on a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. These look heavy duty. These look a lot more heavy duty than the ones that come on the Sierra stock. Charlie has been saying that with the stock ones, rocks get kicked up all the time and he hears them ting ting off the bed, off the side of the truck. So we got these pretty heavy duty ones, and then we're going to install these. Looks like three fasteners on each side, so let's get started. So in the box you get four mud flaps. That's about it. You get, it looks like some hardware, some fender washers, spring clips quantity 2, spring clips quantity 2 with some directions. So looking at the rear passenger wheel of the Sierra, this is how it will line up. So they are labeled. Where are they labeled?
PS, the other ones say DS, so I guess that's driver's side, passenger side.
So we are using a T15 Torx and a ratchet, and we can't get much shorter than this, so we're going to try and get this off without having to take a wheel off. Any wheels off, because lazy.
Everybody says the front ones are really difficult to put on.
Those should be the easiest. You can move that wheel.
The front wheel.
Yeah. So you get 2 pieces of paper and 2 bags with the Husky mud guards. One is for the rear, one is for the front. You get these 2 clips, and then on the diagram here it'll say where to put the clip. It looks like the clip just holds the top for both the front and the rear. Holds the top. They're probably the same clip. So back here, those are both rear clips, and they go in the top. Looks like it just pinches. It pinches the very top. Yeah, on the inside. And then you use all the existing fasteners to put it back on. Directions say T20 fasteners, but Charlie here confirms it is definitely a T15. So what's the old one then? That's a mud flap?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is really weird, because maybe I bought this Silverado used. Had the same tires on it though. And I definitely would have bought mud guards for it if it kicked up like it did.
Never come
really
off.
Hurt.
Go on. Well, that flat side has got to go towards the carpeted portion. It seems like an afterthought. Spring clip goes behind flare and over mud guard. So installation of these mud flaps, this is the front. You use the existing 3 fasteners, 1, 2, and 3, and then you use the clip provided, and this goes for all 4 wheels, and it will clip this top portion there. That is a frustrating experience. They're really tight clips.
I might not even use the clips. I may just get self-tappers. I feel like the self-tapper. So this screw is a little difficult. But
and I got self-tappers if you want to zip one in there. So that's how you install it. Let me show you how it looks. It goes over the existing mud flap. So the existing mud flap stays there. So that's that portion there, and then that's the Husky mud flap right underneath of it. That's the rear passenger side. This is rear driver's side. So on the driver's side, there was an issue where the 3 holes did not line up, so he had to take off the factory mud flap and then drill out to make it match. Hey, look at that, how close that is right there.
it's like half an inch off. How far off it was.
Yeah. Just a bit. And that is the very quick installation of the Husky mud flaps on a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. Again, anything GMC or Chevy Silverado, this will probably work for. It's the same whole.
GMC is a little different.
With the plastic.
Yeah, fender flares are different.
Caught all that. This is just for this GMC to fit these fender flares. Might have to do a little modification. Don't be afraid of the modification. You just have to take off the existing mud flap or just drill a new hole. But really, the holes are just a little bit off, so we just have to poke a new hole through the plastic. Not a big deal. I wouldn't let that stop you from doing this installation, because he said, and Charlie said, that the rocks that were this thing was kicking up was scratching the paint, making a mess. So definitely worth it. How much were these?
$80.
$80 for them, so not that bad. If you like this kind of content, definitely hit the subscribe button below. That's what helps the channel the most. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you want to see anything specific on a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, this is the diesel version, let us know. Let us know in the comments below. He just got this. This is still brand new, so he hasn't done like fuel filter change yet. I don't even think he's done an oil change yet himself, because he has a package for it. So as we get through all of these stages, we'll do more on the GMC. But until then, see you next time. See you in the comments below. Check us out at SometimesBuilds on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all the socials. See you next time. Peace.